Welcome to 5327 Hedeman Court, and this is one of the most festive neighborhoods in Kelowna. Beautiful property is over half an acre. The current owners opened up this entire wall to be a sliding door so that you can access your patio and giant backyard with in-ground swimming pool. The updated kitchen is fully equipped with stainless steel appliances, natural gas stove, and quartz countertops. Beautiful island with sitting area. This is an entertainer's kitchen delight. Connected directly to a sitting room, family room area with built-in TV and natural gas fireplace. Perfect for cozying up with your Christmas stockings. We are walking distance to Shoot Lake Elementary School, and this is the master bedroom with primary ensuite. His and her sinks. There is a steam shower and soaker tub, so you can enjoy a spa-like experience within your own home. Enjoy morning coffees on your master bedroom patio, overlooking your yard. Downstairs has suite potential, but currently you have a wet bar, an additional bedroom, full washroom, office, and gym space.